Welcome back, friends. So have you heard that WordPress is hard to use? Who started this rumor? I've been building websites for 25 years. Let me give you my thoughts on the subject. So if you haven't been here before, I am Susan Clifton. I am a South Florida artist and also a web designer. So I've been a web designer, like I said, for 25 years. And the last 14 years, I've been using WordPress. When I first started building websites, I was building them in HTML. That's a programming language. Then over the years, clients started asking for content management. I tried to use other content management software and found it difficult. Someone recommended WordPress, and within minutes I was building. The WordPress I'm referring to is WordPress.org. You can download it directly from your hosting control panel. This is not WordPress.com. Did I mention WordPress is free? WordPress is open source. Open source software is code that is designed to be publicly accessible. Anyone can see, modify, and distribute the code as they see fit. So why WordPress? I like it because of the thousands and thousands of developers worldwide that are contributing to WordPress in the way of plugins and themes. Plugins extend the functionality of your WordPress so you can build just about anything. And to build an artist portfolio site, it's a breeze. Most of these plugins are free, and this has made a huge difference. It allows me to create better websites for my clients and also for myself. As an artist, I want a beautiful portfolio and a great looking online shop with categories, and all of this is possible with the free plugins available. Now let's talk themes. I'm not a big fan of the free themes that come with WordPress. When you install WordPress, it automatically has a theme that is like the default theme for that year. Every year they come out with a new design. That is probably why people are saying WordPress is hard to use. Those themes are for blogging only. I mean, you can sort of, control it and customize it, but you need to know a little bit of code in order to do that. So I would stay away from the free themes and invest in a really good theme that is going to give you exactly what you need to build an artist portfolio website. When picking a theme, try to find one where you purchase it just one time and then you can continue to upgrade it as they make improvements to it. Also pick one that is well represented on YouTube in the way of tutorials. You're not going to just be able to buy this theme and figure it out on your own. A lot of them have like hidden features and all kinds of things. If you're not a website developer, this is going to be foreign to you. I could probably go into any theme and figure it out within 15 minutes. You might need a tutorial. Some themes are very well documented in their own control panel where you can watch all of their videos. Some of them you really need to go to YouTube and find those individuals out there that are using that theme, love that theme, and want to teach you how to use it. I prefer to use the Divi theme by Elegant Themes. I paid for a lifetime license so that I never have to worry about my upgrades in the future, or you can just choose to renew it every year. Divi is well documented on YouTube. There are many people out there that have tutorials that show you how to do all sorts of things because there are so many modules to choose from. And there's also additional add-ons that you can also download from within the plugins that are specifically made for Divi that add even more functionality. Another reason why I like Divi is it is very stable. So when you update it, let's say WordPress came out with a new update, now you have to update Divi, or maybe they have a security update or something like that. When you update it, you want to know that your whole website isn't going to be broken when you're finished. And believe me, I have seen themes that when you update them, the entire site is broken. And then you have to sort of roll back or go back to a backup. It's a nightmare. Pick a stable theme. The tools included with Divi are great. Divi does just about everything you want. It has a full width slider, galleries, Instagram integration, contact forms, video embeds, easy social media integration, plus much, much more. So enough about Divi. Let's get back to WordPress. WordPress is scalable. As your business grows, your website can grow. It's easy to add new artwork to your portfolio gallery. Your blog will be part of your site and can help with driving traffic. Ready to start selling online? Just install WooCommerce. Connect either PayPal or Stripe to your WooCommerce, and you are ready to start uploading your artwork and sell originals and prints direct to your customers. So where to start with your WordPress website? Start with blogging. Blogging is a great way to drive traffic to your site. The search engines love blogs because each blog post has a specific topic. The search engines have an easy way of understanding what that post is about. That's not always true of your regular pages. You can blog about your art process, an upcoming art exhibit, other artists that influence your work, or anything you think your community might like to hear about your life. The best thing about having a website built with WordPress is you own it. As an owner of this beautiful website, you are in total control. You can move it to another hosting company if you want. You can grow your site to as many pages and as many images and as many portfolio images as you please, as long as your hosting provider has given you enough space. Most hosting, even on the basic level, gives you at least 10 gigabytes of space. That is plenty of space for you to grow. The only time you're going to have to worry about it is when you have thousands of products. Choose a good hosting company, one that's fast and also offers security. These days, with all the hackers out there, you want a nice, secure website. So I hope that I've convinced you to give WordPress a try. I plan to do some videos over the next couple of weeks on WordPress websites geared for the artist. So definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that alert button so that you're alerted when I do post these videos. Maybe come and swing by my community, which has just been activated. I really want to see you build the beautiful website that you deserve and your artwork deserves. And I truly believe that WordPress is the best choice for your business. So see you next time. Bye-bye.